Welcome back friends, and welcome to Tech Unbox Pro. Today we are unboxing and reviewing one of the most exciting and highly anticipated smartphones of 2026, the Samsung Galaxy A37 Pro 5G. This device is creating a lot of buzz in the mid-range market because Samsung has packed it with flagship-level features at a very competitive price. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy A37 Pro 5G looks extremely premium. It comes with a sleek glass back, a slim metallic frame, and a modern camera module that gives it a true flagship feel. The phone feels solid in hand, lightweight, and very comfortable for daily use. Samsung has clearly focused on both style and durability in this model. On the front, you get a beautiful 6.78-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and brightness is excellent even in outdoor conditions. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the display experience is top class. Now let's talk about performance. The Samsung Galaxy A37 Pro 5G is powered by the latest Snapdragon 7 series processor, combined with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. This means multitasking is smooth, apps open instantly, and even heavy games run without any noticeable lag. For gamers, this phone can easily handle popular games like PUBG, Call of Duty, and Genshin Impact on high settings. The biggest highlight of this phone is its camera. The Galaxy A37 Pro 5G features a massive 200 megapixels AI main camera, which captures incredibly detailed and sharp photos. Daylight photos look stunning with accurate colors and excellent dynamic range. Low light performance is also impressive thanks to AI night mode. You also get an ultra-wide lens, macro sensor, and a 32 megapixels front camera for high-quality selfies and 4K video recording. Battery life is another strong point. The phone comes with a huge 7000 mAh battery, which easily lasts up to 2 days on moderate usage. Even heavy users can get a full day without worrying about charging. And with 120W fast charging, you can charge this phone from 0 to full in around 30 minutes, which is extremely impressive. In terms of software, the Samsung Galaxy A37 Pro 5G runs on Android 15 with One UI, which is clean, smooth, and packed with useful features. You also get long-term software updates and strong security support from Samsung. Other premium features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, 5G connectivity, and IP water resistance. These features make this phone feel like a true flagship device in a mid-range price category. So the big question, is the Samsung Galaxy A37 Pro 5G worth buying in 2026? The answer is yes. If you want a phone with a premium design, powerful performance, flagship-level camera, massive battery, and ultra-fast charging, then this is easily one of the best mid-range smartphones available right now. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A37 Pro 5G offers amazing value for money and is a perfect choice for students, gamers, content creators, and everyday users. If you enjoyed this full review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Rock it!